Quantic was something that was recommended to me by a friend who went through the program. And the more I looked into it, the more I was like, this is the perfect fit, particularly for kind of where I was in life. I'm Ross Miller. I am a content strategist at Spotify, where I help expand and grow Spotify's portfolio of original exclusive content on the spoken word side. As I moved my career from being a journalist into more of the business side of media and content and platforms, something that was always troubling me was this feeling that I just didn't have the core foundational knowledge. Something that I kept coming up to was a confidence issue, was a self-esteem issue. Did I really follow everything that was going on in the room? Am I missing something important? Am I actually doing the best I can in my job? With Quantic, it has served two roles for me. Number one, it really has filled in those gaps, particularly around marketing and pricing and really using data analysis. And the other part of it that Quantic's done a great job is also just validating things that turns out I really did kind of pick up on the job. I think on some level, with any degree or with any knowledge, just knowing the right keywords, the right core concepts can open so many doors and move you to asking just the right questions to really make the most of that time. You know, I work 40 hours plus a week. I have a dog, I have a wife. When I have downtime, it used to be Reddit, Twitter, Discord, Snapchat, TikTok. It still is most of those things, but I also now take 30 minutes to go through all the Quantic work, and it fits within my schedule. Within weeks of joining Quantic, there were new classes on, data analysis, e-commerce, on blockchain. Seeing that there's a continued present, a continued evolution of the content, I do feel like what I'm getting out of the experience is as up-to-date as it can be, and particularly where my passion obsession is with the technology industry, the more I can have up-to-date education, the more powerful it's going to be for me.